Hi, my name's Peter Googe, Product Manager with Kuhn Krause, and in this video we're going to talk about how to charge or prime the hydraulic circuit of an accelerator equipped with smart soil technology. We're going to use this procedure when the machine's brand new and we have cylinders and hoses without any oil in them, but it might also be useful when you've serviced the machine and replaced a cylinder or replaced a number of hoses and you want to purge the system of air and make sure that all the lines are full of oil. So to do this, we have a feature directly in Smart Soil Technology, and we're going to access it by pressing the Info Diagnosis button on the screen and then selecting the hydraulic charging option from the menu. There'll be a caution message comes up and you can press charge hydraulic system, and then with the tractor running and the SST engaged, the SCV for Smart Soil Technology engaged, you can press and hold the button to begin the hydraulic charge procedure. As you press and hold that button, the system is going to function all of the circuits, so the gang angle will move between 8 and 1 degree multiple times. It will function the the leveling circuit several times, and it will pick the machine up and push oil all the way through the lift lower circuit, and finally it will also pump oil through the star wheel circuit. Keep that button pressed throughout the procedure. You'll see the progress bar on the screen filling as the function completes itself, and when it's complete there'll be a message appears at the bottom of the screen letting you know that hydraulic charging's complete and you can go ahead and exit out of that menu. With that done, you can be sure that the hydraulic circuits are full of oil. We're ready to put Smart Soil Tech into work.